Submitting documents to Wells Fargo for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other specific documents requested by Wells Fargo. Step 2. Check submission methods. Visit the Wells Fargo website or contact customer service to find out the available methods for document submission. Options may include online uploads, fax, or mail. Step 3. Prepare documents for submission. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. If submitting online, scan or take high-quality photos of your documents. If mailing, make copies for your records. Step 4. Submit documents. Follow the chosen method to submit your documents. If submitting online, log into your account and use the upload feature. If mailing, send your documents to the address provided by Wells Fargo. Step 5. Confirm receipt. After submission, confirm that Wells Fargo has received your documents. You can do this by checking your account status online or contacting customer service for verification. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents for account approval with Wells Fargo. Make sure to keep track of your submission for any follow-up needed.